That just ain't right.
That's an attention getter.
Are you shitting me?
Oh, you can think about it, but don't do it.
No, 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 no.
My ass was wiggling too.
Wake up, sisters. There's no such thing as a weaker sex.
You need to shut the fuck up.
It's party time.
What the hell is the world coming to?
Are you shitting me?
What we're dealing with here is a complete lack of respect for the law.
Just sit back and enjoy the ride. Man, you are one pathetic loser.
I saw that, you son of a bitch! We got no time for that crap!
You out of your goddamn mind?
If they had cremated the son of a bitch, I could have been kicking that Mr. Bandit's ass around the moon by now. I gotta barbecue your ass in molasses!
My parents paid for everything.
Do the letters F-O mean anything to you?
There's no way that you could come from my loins.
Fucking liar!
Don't you know you can't drive a piece of shit like that on the highway?
Damn!
Like a glove.
Whoa. Some parents just shouldn't have children. Like yours.
Things are about to happen out here that may be difficult for many of you to process.
You need to shut the fuck up.
Are you shitting me?
Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. There's someone on the wing. Something